everyone, today we're doing this, and it's out of the Resin Mold, well they were called Express, they're now called Resin Mold Box, and it's the October one, and it's called the Celestial Trinket Tray Mold. Okay, so my idea is glow in the dark, powder, and I think I'm just going to paint that on and then put a galaxy background. So let's do it. Now, if some of you have watched my previous videos, you'll know that I made my own galaxy mix. I think I'm coming down with something. I'm definitely losing my voice. Sorry about that. Well, such is life. Where has it gone? Can't see the wood for the trees. There we go. Don't tell Munchkin I spilled glitter again. So this is a mixture of both fine glitter, chunky glitter, glitter powder, mixture of all sorts. Excuse me, holographic glitter. It's all in here. Okay, and you know the one thing I didn't do was spray it. I can't spray it now. I don't know where. Anyway, let's just do it. now. I think we're just going to pour black on top now. And we're doing paste. Yep. Oh, did you see that then? There you go. Resin dye paste. And this is black. And that's it. And I'm just going to put it over at the curing table, and we'll be back in just a second. Okay, it has cured. Let's take it out and see if it worked. Oops. I like it. I need to get my deburring tool on, that's a little bit sharp. However, will these two light up at night? We have to charge it with light first. So let's have a look. Ooh, oh, we got a bit on there. Can you see? There. And there. So instead of it just being in there and in there, we do have it in other places. But you know what? I love it. I think it looks great. And see how we've got different greens? Can you see that? I'll just turn it a bit. It was more like a bluey green. More greeny. Greeny? If it's a word, get over it. It is now. Yeah. I do like it. I do like the tray. I think it looks good. Maybe could have done with a bit more cleaning up, but you know what? It's lovely. What do you think? Right. All I'm going to do to this is clean up the back. This bit here. And then it'll be done. I'm not going to do anything else to it. I'm not going to add anything else to it. I don't think it needs anything else. So, that's this one done. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. And hope to see you next time. Bye.